If you want to learn how to fry these lovely golden looking plantain and make this nice bowl of avocado dip, or you can say avocado mayonnaise, stick around, watch this video complete to learn how you can make your own. For our avocado dip, or you can say avocado mayonnaise, we have here a medium-sized ripe avocado. We're going to add it to the NutriBullet. So we have here some salt. We're gonna add some garlic powder, onion powder. We're gonna add garlic. That's 2 garlic. This is some hot pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. This is optional. You don't like hot pepper, you don't have to put. It's about 3/4 teaspoon. We have some celery. That's about a tablespoon of celery. We have some chives here. And we have our lime juice. And some extra virgin olive oil. So this is the final result of my fried plantain with my avocado dip. If you notice the plantain have a nice golden color, it is because it is not fully ripe. It is not fully green also, so it is in between, so you will get a light sweet taste. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel to receive more uploads. Bye.